BOOZHOO, Gakina.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again.
Yeah.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. This next song is called Emily. Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask her how she sees. Don't ask her what she believes. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You have no idea, it could be asleep before it finally wakes. We've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sakes. But time and time again I'll tell my lonely friends I don't know what's at stake. Okay. Okay. We're gonna be okay. We'll be okay. Okay. I heard the thunder beings last night.
Yeah, huh?
Anamakika. Thunderbirds. Or thunder. It is thundering. Anamakika. You got something about you. You've got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as the one before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Anamakika! It is thundering. That's what it's like when Michael Lyons plays the guitar. Okay, hey, ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons.
Woo!
Let's hear it. There it is. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO! NANABOOZHOO! I will see you again.
GOFUNDME!
Minowa! Hawa!
Hawa! Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. All right, let's see how that looks.